Hi, my name is Raghuvir Parwat and I am the founder of Trainflow Media, which is a marketing agency and coaching advisory that help businesses to grow their business in the 6-figure, 7-figure and even 8-figure business. Alright, and in this video I am going to talk about why should you advertise on the Facebook. Alright, and suppose you have a power to double your money consistently, then what would you do? Then the Facebook ad is a skill that will help you to double your money, even 3x your money, 4x, 5x, even 10x your money. And this is a $1 million skill that you are going to learn. And for this, I am creating a video sequence and I will come every week on the Friday at 6 p.m. and I will discuss on this topic every week. Alright, suppose you are running a business offline. You can meet with how many customers? You can meet with 100 people, you can meet with 200 people, or you can meet max to max 500 people. Alright, but if you advertise on the Facebook, you can meet millions of people per day. And if you are a local business owner, then you can target your audience by the basis of the location, right? Suppose you are in a Mumbai and you want to target the Mumbai customer. The Facebook gives us facility to target the audience on the basis of location. You can target on the basis of the gender. You can target male, female, or you can target both. And you can target on the basis of interest. Suppose you are a yoga coach, then you can target the people who are interested in the health and fitness. You can target on the basis of behavior. Like you want to people having a buying behavior. You can select the behavior on the basis of last buying history. Suppose you have a high price product. You have a high ticket product. Then you can target the people having a behavior of the purchasing power of the high ticket product. So you can target the audience on the basis of gender, on the basis of location, on the basis of interest, on the basis of behavior. Alright, and you can start your ad by less than 100 rupees per day. And you can reach to the many people by investing a small amount of the money. Why should you advertise on the Facebook? Because 95% of the marketers who are advertising on the Facebook gives us better return than other social media platforms. Why should you advertise on the Facebook? Because you can reach into the multiple people by investing less money. Why should you advertise on the Facebook? Because you can 2x your money, you can 3x your money, you can 5x your money, and even you can 10x your money. Every big businesses are on the Facebook because they can attract the audience, they can target the audience, and they can reach to the audience in a very faster and easier way. And if you are a person who want to scale your business, you should advertise on the Facebook. Alright, and now I will meet you the next Friday with the next video where we will learn why you should advertise on the Facebook on the next part.